In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track quarterly goals in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system that turns big quarterly goals into clear, trackable work. First, open ClickUp and create a dedicated home for your planning. Go to Spaces, click New Space and name it Business Planning. Think of a space as the container for all your strategy. Inside that space, create a folder called Quarterly Goals so everything for each quarter lives in one place and stays focused. Within that folder, add a new list and name it after the quarter, like Q1 Goals. This naming convention makes it obvious what time period you're working in. In this list, each task will represent one quarterly goal. Keeping one goal per task prevents clutter and makes reporting straightforward. Now, simplify how you track progress by setting up goal statuses. Open the list settings, go to statuses and create not started, in progress and completed. These three are enough to show movement without overcomplicating your workflow. Next, add a few essential custom fields. Include an owner field using the people type so accountability is clear. Add a priority drop-down with high, medium and low to help focus. Then add a success metric field as either text or a number so you can define what winning looks like. These fields give you measurable clarity without adding noise. Quick note, if you don't have ClickUp yet, I've placed a link to access it right at the top of the description, so you can sign in on the website or download the app and follow along. Now start creating your quarterly goals as tasks. Give each one a clear, outcome-focused name, like increase monthly revenue to 30K. In the task description, briefly define what success looks like and how it will be measured. Assign an owner and set the due date to the last day of the quarter. So every goal has a firm finish line. Open each goal task and break it into action steps using subtasks. Add the key actions required to achieve the goal, assign owners and give each subtask a due date. This turns big goals into executable work that's easy to manage. For tracking, add two simple views to the list. Use Board View to move goals through statuses visually, and Table View to quickly review owners, priorities, and metrics in one place. These views make weekly check-ins quick and effective. Each week, review your goals, update statuses, and adjust as needed. At the end of the quarter, complete or close each goal, then duplicate the list for the next quarter to keep the structure consistent. Thanks for watching.